Hello guys, for another video. In this video I will show you a simple trick on Redbubble, help you to find trends, ideas and designs from Redbubble itself. For the new people, my name is Sad. I provide videos on this channel about making money online with branch on demand business such as Redbubble, merch by Amazon, KDP and more. And if you're interested in this field, subscribe to the channel as I upload one video a day, and I am sure that my videos will help you to generate more sales and make more money online. So now let's get started. For this trick, I find it just this morning and I said I must doing a video about her. It's simple. You just go to Redbubble and type any letter, for example, I. So, Redbubble show us some suggestion of the top searches of any word starts with I, like this. So, you can just search for any idea, have a small competition, and remember guys, this is a trend. You must be faster when you want to create your designs and upload them on Redbubble. And you can check my previous video about a tool can help you to upload faster on Redbubble and also generate gold tags in just 1 second. Now let's search for an example, and you can still searching until you find an idea have a small competition. For myself, I choose under 1000 results. So now let's search for an example. Let's take the first one. It had 1900 results. It is it too much? So let's check another. And voila, this is just 200. Click at the best selling and focus on the first 5 results. Now you can just make a designs like these 5 results related to them and upload it on Redbubble. And for the tags, watch this video and start working instantly, and I will keep using this method and see if are useful, and I will let you know guys for any updates. And if you want to be sure if the idea are safe to work on it, just go to teamhand.com, type your idea and check it if it has a trademark registration or not. And for more information about trademark and how you can protect your Redbubble account from it, just watch this video. So guys, this video is a short video about finding trend ideas from Redbubble itself without losing a lot of time, and you can find hundreds of ideas. People search for it right now on Redbubble, so you have a big chance to sell at least 5 designs a day. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and see you on the next video.